Hello students, welcome to another session of PT 2 minutes. Today we will be taking a question from modern history. I will give you a minute to try to solve this question. So this question pertains to the Royal Indian Navy mutiny, or in RIN mutiny as it is called. It happened in the year 1946. It started with RMS Talwar. Okay, started with RMS Talwar. Okay, which was situated stationed at Bombay port, but this mutiny spread across a number of ports. It reached till Karachi port. Okay, and overall around 20,000 sepoys, 20,000 naval ratings, okay, mutinied. Okay, so that was a very significant number. Okay, so we'll see about the details of this particular mutiny, what happened. Okay, it was triggered by demands of better pay and working conditions. This statement is correct. As you see, with any mutiny, okay, it was because British was maintaining a very wide gap, a huge difference between the working conditions and pay of British soldiers and Indian soldiers. So it was always a source of friction. You will see this particular thing was also a cause of the revolt of 1857. Okay, so from that time as well, British did not take any lessons and they had perpetuated this problem. Okay, next says it was supported by civilians who joined in droves. Yes, this statement is also correct. The civilians in Bombay, okay, had joined these naval ratings. Okay, and what happened is that the local people had also called strikes in the factories around that area in support of these naval ratings. Okay, next, due to its popularity, Congress and Muslim League also joined it. This statement is not correct. So what happened is that when these ratings went to the leaders of Congress and Muslim League, they were asked to put their arms down. Okay, and these leaders knew that India was at the cusp of independence. Okay, and any independent country or any country would need a strong and loyal force, military force, to support it. Okay, that is why they did not promote this idea of mutiny against the government. Okay, so they convinced them to put down their arms. Okay, and this is also the reason why the revolters, the mutineers were not much celebrated even after independence. Okay, because the government did not want to give the indication that it was a good thing that the sepoys or the naval ratings mutinied against the government. Okay, so we see as 1 and 2 are correct. Option C is the correct option. Follow us for more such videos. Thank you.